How wide out does it need to go for a yes? Like wider than that?
No, I think that that's pretty much a yes.
Yeah, it's kind of whatever you dictate at the beginning.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah, did they get wider?
Mine always go wide for yes and they cross for no. That's what they always tell me.
It was backwards. Mine right here. They did it backwards. That's good
For me?
Yeah.
Mine wouldn't do it. They didn't do
Well, I'm
cross
a
for
stranger,
yes.
but do you mind giving me a hug?
It did. I did. It never has.
Can't talk to them either. Can you give me a hug? Can you straighten those? Can you straighten those, please? The other one? Oh, do you want Robin back? Is that what you're pointing at her?
Hey, Nellie, can I sit on your bed, please?
Oh, that's
That's a hard no. That is a hard
Like
no.
you'll sit on her bed.
Yeah.
We won't do that.
Remember she let me use that one?
Yeah, she did let you that one time.
Can you